Last 30 days, I went crazy. Here's why. 1st of April, I started posting 2 shorts every single day. My plan was simple. Stay consistent no matter what, or you will have to shave your head. So, for the last 30 days, day after day, I was posting 2 shorts and the results are crazy.
Wow.
In this video, guys, I will show you exactly what I did, what results I get, and how you can do it too. Make sure you watch the whole video so you don't miss any of the steps. Let's go! To create YouTube Shorts using AI, we'll need to select a suitable AI tool. Some popular options include OpenAI's ChatGPT and Google's TensorFlow. Choose one that best fits your needs. In person, I use ChatGPT. Step 2. Let's generate video clips using AI. You can provide the AI tool with images or text prompts, and it will create short video segments for you. Ensure the content is relevant to your YouTube Shorts topic. Once you have generated clips, it's time to edit and enhance them. You can use video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro or online tools like Capwing. Trim the clips, add effects, adjust colors, and improve the overall visual appeal. YouTube Shorts often benefit from captions or text overlays to convey information effectively. You can use AI-powered tools like YouTube's built-in captioning or external captioning services to add captions. Additionally, you can overlay text to highlight key points or engage with viewers. Very recommended, and this is exactly what I did. Background music is very important and can greatly enhance the viewer's experience. Make sure to choose appropriate royalty-free music that matches the mood and tone of your YouTube Shorts. Platforms like YouTube's audio library and Epidemic Sound offer a wide range of tracks to choose from. Before uploading, review your YouTube Shorts to ensure everything looks great. Make any necessary adjustments to audio levels, transitions, or video elements. Once you're satisfied, export the final video in the recommended format and resolution. Then, upload it to YouTube as a short. Congratulations on creating your YouTube Shorts using AI. To maximize their reach, promote your shorts across social media platforms, embed them on your website or blog, and engage with your audience through comments and shares.